Hey guys, hope you guys had a good day trading today. It is officially the end of July, last day of trading for the month. We will start a new month tomorrow. We'll see how if we can have a little bit better month than we had in July. Overall, basically on SPY, we are just stuck in consolidation. So if you were to go back and basically just look at our low right here on our basically our demand that we put in, and you go to the high of this candle right here from Thursday, we are holding in about a $7 range at close for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 trading days now. This is a very long period of consolidation. Usually consolidation will lead to one move or the other. As of right now, we finally have closed over these two supply levels, but really until we take out 459.1 and start breaking out from there, I really just see us in a consolidation period. We don't have any sort of clear upside direction yet, or downside for that matter. Overall, I would call this just consolidation. I would not take a long until we closed over 459.1, and really you can even be more conservative at 461.6. And I would not go short until we lose 452.1 and start dropping through that 20 EMA. Really, this is a pretty bad spot for anybody that's a swing trader, as there really isn't any sort of clear-cut direction right now. Going over to futures, same thing here. If you take our lowest demand and you go to the high of yesterday's or Friday's candle, we had about a 43-point range. Now, what's interesting is on futures, we did close outside of our range, our consolidation range that we have closed in for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 days. So what are we looking for now? Well, our next major target is right here, which is a 58-point range at 46.21. Now this 46.21 range, we've touched it once, we've came close quite a few other times, but we have never broken through it and held over it. So realistically, until I see futures close over 46.20, 21, 22 area, I'm not super bullish, and I still think that this could see a drop back down into this consolidation. Now, if we close over 46.22 and we start breaking out, then I'm going to be looking for that 4,700 range probably sometime middle of the month. But right now, same thing. All I see on futures and SPY is consolidation. Now on the Qs, it's a little bit different. So if we look at our lowest candle to this high here at 386.8, we have an $11.20 range that we've closed in for now for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 trading days. This is a really long consolidation period here on the Qs. Also, our major resistance is 386.8. So realistically, until we close over that and start pushing through these supplies at 388.5 and 389.8, I'm bullish, but I'm not overly bullish just yet. So this is going to be a major resistance area right here that we have to definitely keep an eye on. Now, on the other side of things, supply support-wise, this 376.1 to 377.8 area, this should be a pretty strong support area. But same thing, really until we close under 376.2, one area, and continue to drop through that 20 EMA, there's really no reason to be bearish. But realistically, until we get through 386.8, but if you want to be conservative, 389.8, there's really no reason to go long either, as you might just find yourself in quite a bit of consolidation and chop. When we look at the VIX here, the VIX has also, as you know, been trading in a crazy long range. So we did get a new supply last week right here, so it takes out that supply. So 14.41 is our new supply. So if we look at the VIX now has been trading in about a $1.30 range for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 trading days now. So overall, the VIX is also in a major consolidation. I mean, realistically, if you go back until June 2nd, the VIX has been just consolidating. I mean, if you zoom out here for the last quite a few while here, this is a pretty long consolidation period on the VIX. Generally speaking, the VIX is more trendy than this. Now, an interesting pattern that you can kind of see here, and it's really hard to see unless you zoom out like this, is we kind of have a nice little double bottom right here with our peak. So this could lead to a bigger breakout on the VIX. It'll be interesting to see if we can get that. Kind of looks something like this. So you have your peak right here, you have your bottom, your middle, your bottom, and then you look for your other peak up here. I will be interested to see if this plays out. That's a big move up on the VIX, and that would be a major move down on SPY if that does play out. Looking at Bitcoin, Bitcoin just continues to do a whole lot of absolutely nothing. Bitcoin is an even bigger consolidation than SPY. I mean, Bitcoin realistically, let's look at it. See, I don't feel like counting or doing math in my head. Let's see here. So about a $2,300 range up for closing since June 21st. So if we were to go do this, it'll tell us how many days. Let's see. So that's 40 days now, almost a month and a half, that Bitcoin has been consolidated in a $2,300 range. That's very small amount of movement. Everybody pretty much market-wide right now is in a bigger consolidation. It'll be interesting to see if by end of week, if we can get some sort of movement up or down. Hope you guys have a good day trading tomorrow, and I will see you guys tomorrow.